Hello everyone, welcome to Minimal Mindful Mama and welcome to the Minimal Mindful Gift Guide. This is one of my favorite videos to make every year where I share gift ideas for you that are minimalist or mindful, things that are ethically made and sustainable so that you can make a difference with your gifts this holiday season. The first thing I'm excited to share with you is Luisa jewelry. Whether you're gifting jewelry to your family or friends or yourself this holiday season, Luisa jewelry is sustainably made, ethically produced, it's hypoallergenic, water resistant, and it's the biggest sale of the year. These jewelry items are up to 35% off. I have been loving my Luisa jewelry pieces. Even my daughters constantly borrow them and wear them. Styles are classic and beautiful and timeless. They're such high quality that I sometimes forget to take my earrings out and I just live with them in. I've been searching for the perfect pair of hoops for a while now, and I was so excited to get Luisa hoops because they truly are so much better quality than any other hoops that I had found. They're beautiful and durable pieces that will last you a lifetime. For Christmas, I especially love these cute little bow studs. I think that they're just so adorable and on trend. They're so cute and festive. So if you are looking for a quality jewelry to gift this holiday season, I highly recommend Luisa jewelry. I have a special link for you in the description box down below. So definitely click that link so that you can get your discount on this amazing jewelry. I love all of my jewelry pieces from Luisa, and I've been slowly transitioning my entire jewelry collection over to pieces that are good quality and ethical and sustainably made, but sometimes that can get pricey as well. So I love that Luisa jewelry is so affordable, especially when you take into account this sale. So be sure to check them out down below before the sale ends. My second gift idea is not a physical item, but gifting experiences. This is something that I love to do for kids' birthday parties, but can also be really special for Christmas and the holiday season. If you don't know what to give someone, rather than trying to find them a physical item, take them out for coffee, give them concert tickets. Think of a fun experience that you can enjoy together that can be an amazing gift. Or maybe gift someone something like passes to a local museum or park or zoo that they can enjoy the whole year round. My third gift idea is to gift consumable items. So for kids, this could be something like crayons or markers or art supplies. Or for a grown-up, maybe gifting them some nice coffee. Food items are always great because they don't take up space in your home and are still really enjoyable. And this leads me into my fourth idea, which is homemade gifts. There are lots of amazing ideas on Pinterest or other places, but a few that I thought of would be gifting maybe homemade candles or something like homemade vanilla for all of that holiday baking. Maybe gifting one of those jars with the cookie mix inside. Those are really fun and cute to assemble. Or maybe you have a special skill. Maybe you knit or crochet or sew. Or maybe you do woodworking, or there's any number of really fun and special homemade gift ideas that you could create and gift to others that would be really meaningful and special. I love the idea of us as a culture leaning more into those homemade gift items and less into the overconsumption and purchasing cheap items that will break, that were made in a factory somewhere far away. So get creative and think outside the box and think what maybe you could gift to others that you could create yourself. My fifth gift idea is to gift something like hair care or skin care. These are items that get used up quickly and that sometimes we really enjoy but don't always splurge on or wouldn't necessarily purchase for ourselves. And so if you know what someone likes to use, this can be something really special to gift to them. I do want to highlight the brand Kushu. They make plastic-free hair ties that are amazing quality and that hold your hair so much better than any other hair ties I've tried. I have really thick hair. I have a lot of it. And so normal hair bands, when I try to do a ponytail, just don't do the trick. But the Kushu ones are amazing and hold all of my hair so tightly, especially for when I'm trying to work out. And I love that they're plastic free and good for the earth and will biodegrade. So if you're looking to gift some hair accessories to someone, definitely check them out. I'll have them linked down below as well. Another gift idea, if there's a couple in your life, would be to gift them some date nights. Maybe a bottle of wine and a puzzle, or you could gift them restaurant gift cards. If they have kids, you could gift them babysitting along with that. This is another thing that sometimes can fall by the wayside, especially when you have young children. And so gifting them something that could be a built-in date night can be so helpful. I also recommend asking people what they would like to receive for Christmas. I know sometimes this can take away some of the surprise element, but sometimes they just have a need that they'd really appreciate being met, such as going out on a date as a couple, and maybe you being able to meet that need for them would even outweigh the joy of the surprise of getting something else that isn't really as big of a hole in their life. So if you're not really sure what to gift, I definitely recommend just asking what might be something that would be really helpful to them. My final two gift ideas I just want to throw out there. If you know someone who is feeling really overwhelmed in their life, then I've created an ebook called The Minimal Mindful Mama that can help you to declutter your life and prioritize so that you can live the life that you want to live. This might be something that you gift to yourself as we go into the new year. It's a really helpful step-by-step, room-by-room guide that will help you to determine your family's priorities and align your life with those priorities. So if it's been on your mind that this coming new year you would really like to get your life together, I highly recommend checking out that book. I think it will be really helpful to you, and you can find that on Amazon or linked down below as well. My final gift idea is to give to a cause that you're passionate about, or maybe create an opportunity for this person that you're gifting to do something for the cause that they're passionate about. Maybe you can spend time together collecting items for the homeless. Maybe you can volunteer together at a pet shelter. Maybe you can watch their kids so that they can go do something that's important to them. Or maybe you can make a donation in their name, and that would be really meaningful to the person you're gifting to. Gifts don't always have to be physical items, so try to get a feel for what your recipient would appreciate. And while that might not be what you would want as a gift, maybe it's something that would be very meaningful to them. If you're interested in checking out more minimal, mindful gift ideas, click the link down below where you can find my ultimate minimal, mindful gift guide full of ideas of experience gifts and consumable gifts and ethically made and sustainable gift ideas. It's a great resource if you're looking for some out-of-the-box kind of ideas. So definitely check that out down below. And before you go, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my content. And I can continue creating these kinds of videos for you with tips on how to simplify your life as a busy mom. So be sure to check on the Luisa jewelry amount down below before the sale ends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.